ACF says any activities inside forest is illegal, warns of tougher action against forest mafias. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. Assistant Conservator Forest Pranab Teron on Friday said urge upon the public to desist from complicating the incident, stating that the patrolling team were carrying out the duty to protect the Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. This was stated in a press conference held on Friday. The press conference was convened by the Forest Department officer to clarify about the incident after several people and organizations have questioned over the action of the patrolling team, which has resulted in the death of a villager named Robin Tokbi in the alleged firing between the patrolling team and the alleged poacher group at night on March 3 inside the Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. While addressing the local media, ACF Pranab Teron said that joint patrolling was a normal task they are asked to perform to protect Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary and other forest areas from smuggling of timbers. He said that they were carrying out their regular duty on March 3 night, on which they confronted the alleged poachers. The ACF said that any individuals or group of people carrying out any activities inside the forest is illegal and they do not have any knowledge as to how dangerous they were. He said that anyone found indulging in any illegal activities would face the law and is always treated equally in the eyes of the law. He said reiterated that law-abiding citizens would never have anything to do in the forest at night. Further, ACF Teron warned that they are preparing to launch tougher actions against forest mafias in the days to come to protect the forest from destruction.
Labangso ni Mars ini tarik laso agotona alam ratfan pachini kang tunga bang ke lapuhen lo je nilitum komane innocent mate komane karbi konamona ba komane ke plang kipi mate lason atum hanle nilitum hempen kewan pen alang lifan lapuson laso huni konti ke papo ba lapuson alam kali nilitum long ajur dingklui pen जे Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary जो आरोनरे पेन थिंकी के बैंक के प्लाट कचोंगहु लसो अबिरता अजुडिंग क्लुई पेन लोंग सी नीलितुम लसो तारिगे थो मारनी पुस्ता में लसो थिंकी के प्लाट थिंकी के चोंगहु लसो अगेंस्ट अतुम फान नीलितुम पुलिस अतुम पेन ऑपरेशन कुरीदाम लसी लसो ऑपरेशन कुरीदाम होत लबांगसो नोंग वे जो फिर लो नीलितुम हलादाक मिसिन कोरट पेन थिंकी के प्लाट और की अर्जुलोंग सी नीलितुम हलासो अदिमाक लोंग पापे दामी फान बॉडी लो लापेन अदिमाक लोंग लेदेत पेन अफिट नीलितुम इसी अलांग लितुम फान वार्निंग सिस्टम अलांग लितुम फान पी लो जे अलांग लितुम फिल्मा अकाम के क्लेम लसोइंग तो नंग तो लापेन मिथांग पुस्ता में सरेंडर नंग को लसो वार्निंग की पेन अफिट हलापु opposite side पे नीलितुम फान फायरिंग नंग कुरिया जो नीलितुम ता लसो फायरिंग रिटेलिएट कुरी दुनिया फांसी नीलितुम ता चिबोरी ग्लो पुलिस तुम पेन नीलितुम फॉरेस्ट तुम पेन नीलितुम कादो को बेचलांग सी लसो फायरिंग अगेंस्ट नीलितुम ता कुरी दुनलो लसो फायरिंग ahoda bangsi ingnoda munit bange injured lo.
On the other hand, ACF Teron also stated that the issue of compensation to the family members of the deceased is up to the higher authority to decide, and so far, the matter have not yet been taken. The ACF said that he himself would inform the family members and the media if there is any development on the case. Meanwhile, several organizations' leaders and members reportedly met the victims' family members on Friday to express their condolence and provide some assistance towards them. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati and Sonjit Crow from Chokiola for Karbi Anglong Live.
Nangletum hiti ka helopen kedam ningka saksak doma. Do posita matha ikri humre ignon nangletum adung het kedo Pangcho Enterprise.
Nangletum ladak longekji lake electronic goods, gift item, food item, cosmetic, water filter, sport and school item. Lasi Humri non MS Pangcho Enterprises, Jirsong Asong Road, Rongkela, Dipu. A 6-year-old mellifluous voice is not only earning her admirers but also earning her sponsorship. Impressed by her rendition of the Assam state anthem, O Mur Apunar Day, All Assam Student Union advisor Dr. Samujal Bhattacharya has decided to fund her education for 5 years. Kalmavizo Mar, who recently turned 6 this year on January 6, is a class 1 student from Malhoi, Haflong in Dima Hasao district. Her rendition hits the high notes in the song almost perfectly, and many have been sharing her video to bring her performance to notice. Seeing her performance, Dima Hasao's inspector of school, Biran Singh Inti, on Friday felicitated her. The video features the child wearing an Assamese attire and singing. It also promotes tourism of the district, as the video starts with a glimpse of mesmerizing views of Panimur waterfall, which is known as the best picnic spot in Assam. Kalmavizo can speak her mother tongue, Mar, Mizo, and a bit of Hindi and English. But she and her parents have minor knowledge of Assamese. However, she had sung in Mar, Mizo, Hindi, Assamese, and English with a perfect accent. According to her mother, Felicia Jote, who is a lecturer in Haflong Government College, Kalmavizo started singing since she was 2 years and 9 months old and has been regularly performing gospel song in church. Her YouTube channel was earlier set by her father in his own name to keep records of church videos. However, seeing her talents as a singing star, church members suggested to rename it in his daughter's name, which has attracted over 35,000 subscribers from 400 subscribers within 6 months.
स्टार्ट किया था 2017 जब यहाँ तो चिल्ड्रंस कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है चर्च का, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग गाने दिए फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए। वहाँ से शुरू करके तब अपना आपको जब मोबाइल हैंडल कर सका, यूट्यूब से देख के आज तक ये अपना से सीख के गाना गाया है।
वो तो 2 years 9 months से गाना शुरू करा, गाना गाई करने को शुरू करा हम उनका चर्च चिल्ड्रन कॉन्फ्रेंस में। तो उस टाइम से शुरू करा पब्लिक में। तो घर में तो जब उतना गाना करता और किचन में भी गाना करता, ऐसे ही गाना तो उसका हॉबीज ही है। तो हमने सोचा तो ऐसे करने से तो ऐसे गाना तरफ में लेने से उसका लाइन है बोल के गाना जो यूट्यूब में देखता हम उनको स्पेशली हमारा गाना तो हम ट्रैक उनका ओनर उनके पास मांग के प्रैक्टिस शुरू करा। तो ट्रैक का सामने गाना कर सकता था, इसको तो सिखाने से तो और बढ़ने चाहिए बोल के।
Earlier in January, a childs have covered patriotic song Teri Mitti from the movie Kesari, won the hearts of lakhs of viewers from across the country. The video was uploaded on Eve of Republic and have more than 7 lakhs views and over 3,000 comments blessing and praising her from all over the country.
O Mura Punarde, O Mursi Kunide, Ene Konkuala, Ene Konkufola, Ene Konmoro Morde. Orange नवे तेरी सासों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरे मेरा साथ यही तक था। There's a place in your heart and I know that it is love, and this place could much brighter than tomorrow.
Suraj Barmans from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. Despite the election model code of conduct in effect, several people are knowingly or intentionally carrying cash above the limit. The repeated incidents of cash being seized in from different parts of the district are evidence of how people are violating the rules. On Sunday, the state surveillance team posted at Dilai checkpost recovered cash amounting to rupees 10 lakhs, a truck bearing registration number AS01 LC4939 in Dilai from the possession of 2 people inside the truck identified as Sanjay Sibokuti and Deba. The huge amount of cash money was seized from the Gujarati-bound truck, which originated from Imphal at around 3:30 p.m. by the state surveillance team in the evening. On interrogation, the offenders revealed that they were carrying the money for business purposes and were totally unaware of the model code of conduct currently in force in Assam. Vijay Rompi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.